Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good, wherever you're tuning in from. In case you're just coming across this beautiful channel, my name is Michelle, aka Mama and Kids. You are specially welcome to this channel. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment, share, and invite your friends. Thank you to our returning subscribers. God bless you real good. Thank you as always, okay? So guys, today we are making what you're seeing on the screen. Yeah, last time we had this abacha processed right in this channel. If you have not seen that video, guys, just go and check it out. Run up, okay? If you don't know what abacha is basically a special food eaten by Nigerians, yeah? Especially the eastern part of Nigeria. So this is our salad. We call it African salad. It is an adequate meal. It's adequate in the sense that it's loaded with vegetables and vegetables, fats, starch, what have you. Okay, the food it's adequate and it's very, very delicious. Just go and watch the video. You know how it is done. This is processed from cassava, and I have a full tutorial on this. So today we are preparing this abacha, the final stage of this abacha we've been talking about since. So today we are making African salad. Okay, so wherever you are, whoever you are, come sit down and see how African salad is prepared. All right, to make this delicious meal, I'm just gonna explain or introduce what I have on my screen here. Right here we have red oil. And guys, remember, in this channel we substitute for what we can't get. Yeah, we can't just say, I don't have this, so I can't get this. We have substitutes. Okay, now we usually use garden egg leaf for this delicacy, but I can't accept that, so what I'm using is lettuce. Look at the lettuce, it's very close to what we use right here. This is what I'm using. This is already sliced, washed and sliced. And another thing we are substituting for is garden egg itself. I mean eggplant. So right now I don't have eggplant, so what I'm using now is cucumber. It's more like it, right? Good. Here we have our onion and our pepper already sliced. We have salt and seasoning cube to taste. We have this is a special spice for this abacha. It's called ehuru in Igbo. You know the botanical name, but I know it's ehuru. Please, someone to help me out should help me out in the comment section. This is what gives it the main taste for me. Yeah. So it's already blended. Now this is my potage. You don't do this without potage. So this is my potage. Okay. I'm lucky I still have some left. And this is my abacha. So guys, that being said, let's dive right into this cooking. All right. The first thing we do in this is sieve in our potage into our red oil. This potage emulsifies the oil. Can you see how the oil is looking right now? This is the work of this potage. It's been emulsified. Now I can on my heat a bit. Next thing I want to add into my oil, my ngo. This is actually called ngo in my dialect, Igbo. Yeah, the next thing I want to add into my ngo is this eho. Oh guys, the smell is breathtaking. Oh my god, this sauce is coming out good already. Something I did not introduce to you guys. This is ogiri. This is our natural spice, yeah. This is locust beans, ogiri. It's very natural spices. So right now I want to add my ogiri. Okay, I just added my ogiri because I love to cook my ogiri when I'm doing my ngo. Guys, I should actually put my crayfish in this abacha bowl. Unfortunately, I ran out of crayfish, so this is the time to add your crayfish if you have crayfish around you. So unfortunately, I don't have crayfish right now, so I'm doing without it. It's not going to stop our abacha from being delicious, okay? At least we have other source of protein in this abacha. So guys, when it starts coming up like this, means it's ready. Just have to give it like 2 minutes and we'll bring it down. Our abacha is half cooked. So right now I want to add my cube because I want to cook it a bit. I don't want it raw, just direct in my abacha. So I'm adding it right now. Guys, our ngo is ready. You just have to bring it down and allow it to cool off, and then we mix our abacha. Our abacha is almost done. So it's as simple as this, making abacha. A lot of people have different methods of doing this. Guys, notice I've not added salt. I'm not going to add salt into this ngo, otherwise ababo. Please, somebody should translate this mbabo in English, otherwise ababo. Okay guys, our ngo has finally cooled off. See what it looks like. This is what it looks like. The next thing we're doing right now is pouring our abacha in this bowl. Okay, I didn't add everything, I just left some. Okay, so after that we pour our ngo right inside our abacha. This is so juicy, man. So let's turn and see if this is enough for the abacha, the quantity of abacha we have here. The smell from this abacha is so inviting. Wow, I bet you want to try this. Just go and see my tutorial on how to make abacha. And now after that, that's in case you don't know how to make abacha. So what we're doing right now is actually African salad. Oh yeah, let's turn everything. So we're trying to turn everything together. We'll add a bit of this sauce. And now the next thing we want to add is our cucumber. We are using cucumber in place of eggplant. So our cucumber comes right in. Just be sure to turn everything so that they will be at the same phase. Yeah. I don't have Oba in the house. So guys, the next thing we'll add right now is our lettuce. We are using lettuce in place of eggplant leaf. And bet me it's coming out good. The next one we are going to add now is our onion. I'm not going to add the pepper because of the kids, because I already blended my ehuru with some pieces of dried pepper. So I'm going to just add my onion and leave the pepper or side pepper or something, just in case hubby wants, because I obviously need it. I eat spice food a lot. So now it's time to add salt. Be careful when you add salt. Let's have a taste, guys. Oh my goodness. Guys, this abacha is a lot and more. Just take it that way. It's everything you want in abacha and more. Guys, we're going to serve this abacha with this roasted tilapia and roasted chicken lap. What's your plug? Is it the roasted tilapia or roasted chicken? For me, it's tilapia. Tilapia. It's roasted tilapia for me, you guys. Please come serve yourself, guys. Abacha is ready, very much ready. I can't wait. So, chicken or fish? For me, it's fish. Sorry. I'm just going to dive into the tilapia and abacha. Just comment in the comment section. What do you prefer your abacha with? Chicken or fish? We still have a bowl of abacha and chicken left. So guys, with this we have come to the end of today's video, and this is Mama and Kids saying God bless you as always. Please always call in. I promise you will get something to take home. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.